Hello everyone, and it's a good evening and a happy Sunday. Welcome for Chitter Chatter. Today we're gonna do chit chat with Meera Deostali. Yes, Meera is the lead actress of Udan and Vidya, and she's on a couple of TV shows. And now we're gonna chit chat about her TV journey and what she's been doing in lockdown. And Meera is right here, so let's join her for some chit chat. Hi everyone, welcome for the chit chat. Rocky, Abhi, 23, Mubashir, Angelis. Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good.
So, Meera, how you been? Hope you're all ready for chit chat today evening.
Yes, I'm really excited for our chit chat today, and I've been good. You tell me.
How has lockdown been for you? Because this is a phase all of us have gone through. We've all had a different experience. We all have different normalcy today. So, what has lockdown been for you?
Actually, this is a question we all ask each other. हम सब ये एक दूसरे को पूछ रहे हैं. But I think it has been, you know, um, quite an experience for me. I have got time at home after a really long time, and I learned a lot. I have, in this process, my show went off air, which we were assuming कि will, resume shoot after this entire thing is over. हम सोच रहे थे जून जुलाई जब भी shoot start होनी है तब it'll start and we'll go back to shoot. तो वो एक झटका था जो during lockdown मिला. तो by the time हम सब 2-3 महीने में पक चुके थे, this happened. So I think that was also a process for me to sink it down and um, as an actor's life is कि जब भी आपका कुछ खत्म होता है you again have to start from scratch. So I think
Totally.
I'm experiencing. Yeah.
So, obviously you assumed, and all of us were assuming to go back to work. We didn't know that the lockdown would be so long, and it didn't work out the way you thought it would, and you're still so positive, you're smiling and enjoying it. How did you first process the news कि अरे, as expected, ये वाला तो show नहीं होगा, there's many more happening, but when the news first came to you, what was your reaction to it, and how did you take it?
So the show was coming on Colors और उसके पहले जी टीवी और स्टार प्लस जैसे चैनल्स पे और सोनी पे काफी शोज के बंद होने की खबरें आ चुकी थी, जिनका
जी
ये बोला था कि इट्स लाइक गॉन कोरोना, ये कोविड खत्म होगा उसके बाद या जब अनलॉक शुरू होगा, जब शूट स्टार्ट होंगे तो ये शोज वापस नहीं आएंगे. तो ऑब्वियसली आप सोचोगे कि आपके चैनल की अगर बारी आई तो कौन से शोज जा सकते हैं. Although we were doing pretty decent for, we were number one on our slot. We were slot leaders for quite some time. But then, आप चैनल में अगर कंपेयर करो तो किसकी नंबर आएगी, तो एक अंदाजा था कि अगर ऐसा कुछ हुआ तो हो सकता है कि वी माइट बी ऑन द रडार. पर हमने ये बंद भी कर दो वापस ही मत आओ, रैप अप भी शूट मत करना, तो वो हमने नहीं सोचा था. सो व्हेन द प्रोड्यूसर कॉल्ड मी एंड ही वाज टेलिंग मी, मुझसे ज्यादा एक्चुअली वो शॉक थे. एंड ही इज अ वेरी सेंसिटिव पर्सन, तो आई थिंक उनको ज्यादा झटका लगा था. तो आई थिंक हम सब काफी नॉर्मल थे, बट वी वर ऑल डिस्कसिंग इट एंड वी थॉट दैट दिस वाज कमिंग. तो yeah, it was not that big of a shock, but अब feeling it कि अब मुझे जाना है, I want to go back to work. So now I'm feeling bored at home. So this is something I'm facing right now.
So, you started your journey from TV, Udan, Vidya, and many more like Sasural Samarka, and you've played the
Yeah.
lead also in all these shows. So, TV कैसे decide किया? Like, how did the TV journey start for you?
It was a very. It was not planned actually. I wanted to become an engineer, and but I come from a small town, a city, Baroda, and वहाँ पे we have a very nice, renowned university called Maharaja Sayajirao Gaikwad University, and मेरे कुछ 1-2% कम थे to qualify and get in that college, और जब वो नहीं हुआ तो I was very disappointed and I was like नहीं जाऊंगी तो मैं engineering करूंगी वरना कभी नहीं करूंगी. So then I did not tell anyone कि मैंने forms नहीं भरे अपने college के, and the dates had passed, so I was not eligible to enter any college. And then I had to make up a story. So I have been lucky that my parents have been very supportive. They asked कि what do you want to do, as career, और आपको will you be focused towards becoming an engineer, 4 साल पढ़ाई करोगी and all that, because उन्हें पता था मैं बहुत मेरा मटकना वटकना चलता रहता था. मैं क्लास में भी नहीं टिकती थी. ड्यूरिंग स्कूल ऑल्सो आई यूज्ड टू डू एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज. So they were like, decide, you want to be an air hostess, you want to be a model, what do you want to be. They never thought that I should be an engineer. And then I was like, I want to do acting if I look pretty. So then they were like, for every parent the child is pretty only. So I was like, okay. But then we did not have any बॉम्बे में हमारा कुछ सपोर्ट नहीं था या कोई हमें नॉलेज नहीं थी कि यहाँ पे इस फील्ड में कैसे आना है. सो दे पुट मी इनटू एन एक्टिंग क्लास टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम जीरो. थोड़ा बहुत आइडिया है कि क्या होता है, कैमरा, मार्क, एक्टिंग, सब. तो वो सब किया. एंड टचवुड आई बीन लकी कि मेरे को गॉट वर्क क्वाइट जल्दी. आई डिड नॉट हैव टू सिट अ लॉट और वेट अ लॉट.
So when you started shooting for TV, और TV में तो जितनी shoot होती है, they all become your second family. Like that is a
Yeah.
rule. So what are your best TV moments till now?
I think they'll have to be from Udaan only, because that is a show I did for 3 years, like that. तो सबसे बेस्ट मोमेंट्स तो उसी के थे. वी कंप्लीटेड 1000 एपिसोड्स ऑन उड़ान, एंड दैट वाज अ बिग अचीवमेंट फॉर द एंटायर शो. And when I was roped in, the producer was quite skeptical, and he was like, I was quite new and raw. तो उनका ये था कि नहीं कर पाई तो. And when you're new and raw, you're very vulnerable. आप किसी भी तरफ जा सकते हो. You can become a brat, you can become an actor who gives a lot of do well and understand the craft and go forward. So that was a journey for me. Hamesha, it had to be a conscious effort towards what kind of person I want to be. So I think, मेरा जो molding था as a person, as an actor, it happened on that set. Plus we were like a family, all of us together. तो हम लोग सुबह से आते ही we used to discuss क्या खाना है, फिर lunch में क्या खाएंगे, dinner खाएंगे. We used to only think about food. All of us used to discuss. And I have done a lot of action on that show. मतलब I think TV पे किसी heroine ने शायद ही इतना action किया होगा जितना हमने किया था. As an actress, बहुत मजा आया था. I used to feel like a मर्दानी, तो मेरे को बहुत मजा आता था उसमें.
So खाने में आपकी favorite चीजें क्या है? Since we were talking about that, you only all spoke about food and all. So being the foodie you are, what is your favorite food?
I love pani puri. I love Chinese. पर ये तो सेट पे ऑब्वियसली नहीं होता था. तो हम लोग सेट पे भी यूज्ड टू हैव बर्गर पार्टीज. हम मैकडोनल्ड से बर्गर्स मंगवाते थे. या फिर वी यूज्ड टू कॉल फॉर. आई लव मोमोज, तो मैं मोमोज खाती थी. आई यूज्ड टू एंजॉय तंदूरी मोमोज, तो वो मैं खाती थी. कभी कुछ बहुत अच्छा किया या we've made some achievement, तो we used to treat ourselves with Domino's cheeseburger pizza. So I am a foodie. I enjoy everything. I love everything that's junk.
So before I go to the next one, Golicha Prashant says both of you are looking very beautiful. Jatin Pandit, so 125670, is saying his favorite is Pani Puri too. And all your fans are sending in hearts, love emoticons, kisses. Hello Chakor, everyone is saying. And a lot of your fans are from different places, from Lahore, Pakistan, Iran, obviously Bombay, Baroda, and some of them are also asking, what about Vidya season 2? And Psycho16 underscore and a lot more people are asking, what about season 2 when it comes to Vidya? So, and Udaan with Hearts is all coming.
It ended very abruptly. Vidya ended very abruptly, but and I've been reading बहुत सारे fans, you know, since they did not get a nice ending also, हम लोग ने wrap up भी shoot नहीं किया था. So I think they are wanting and longing for that. और ये हमें show के बाद समझ आया कि इतनी fan following थी विद्या की. But I don't think there's going to be a season 2 because ऐसी कोई बात तो नहीं थी.
सो मीरा, अभी हम सब बिग बॉस खेल रहे हैं घर पे. पास्ट आई थिंक मार्च से 15 मार्च से जब ये लॉकडाउन शुरू हुआ था, हर कोई बिग बॉस खेल रहा है. हर कोई को एक टास्क मिल जाता है टू डू, यू नो. सो देयर वाज somebody cooking, somebody painting,
Yeah.
somebody doing things. And right now your very good friend has gone to Big Boss. So what are your wishes for Jasmine, like, you know, now that she's gone for Big Boss? And what is your take on Big Boss?
I am so excited for her and you know honestly कल मुझे since I know your connection with Salman also and you know for whatever time I have been on Colors like for हम हर साल we have been you know on Big Boss as guests हम लोग you know because हम shows करते हैं तो हमें guest की तरह बुलाया जाता है जहाँ पे हम थोड़ी देर के लिए हाउस में एंट्री करते हैं या फिर न्यू ईयर्स होता है तो जैसे लास्ट ईयर हमने सारे हाउसमेट्स के साथ में काउंटडाउन किया था तो उस टाइम पे मैंने जैस्मिन ने हम सब साथ में अंदर गए थे यू नो फॉर सम टाइम एंड अगले साल तो मुझे करना ही है सो आई न्यू दैट शी इज यू नो वेरी मच इनटू द शो and I think she's going to do amazing. She's a very nice human being and people are going to see a wonderful side of hers. So yeah, it'll be fun watching Jasmine and I think कुछ contestants जो मैंने कल entry देखी काफी quirky और you know like Nikki and all those people. So I think it's going to be fun this year.
If you had to do Big Boss, would you be doing it?
I was offered, but you know, I said no because I don't think I'm a person who's cut out for a show like this. I mean, मुझसे नहीं हो सकता. I can't. मैं हर एपिसोड में सिर्फ रोती रहूंगी या ऐसा मुझे लगता है या मैं लड़ाई झगड़े नहीं कर सकती मुझसे बर्दाश्त भी नहीं होते तो I don't think that I'm you know made for that show.
Since we're talking about TV and you know, जैसे आपने कहा कि फैमिली में कोई नहीं था जो एक्टिंग में था and you know, you don't know कहाँ से शुरू करूँ तो you started with an acting class and that's what God has been kind. और उसके बाद आपकी जर्नी शुरू हुई. The first time you were seen on TV, what did your family and friends have to tell you कॉल करके?
They were it's a very funny story. So the first time ever I came on TV, I was playing a goon. I was मैं
Okay.
मतलब मैं पैसे हड़प रही थी 2 दिन के लिए I played that character and I was told something else, it happened something else और आप जब नए होते आपको पता भी नहीं होता है तो ऐसा था तो I was very much excited but then जब मैंने अपने आप को when I saw myself I was very disappointed and I was like ये नहीं करने आई मैं ये नहीं करने आई I want to be a heroine so that was but my mother my father all my friends they were so excited they were sharing everywhere and I was like क्या share कर रहे हो मतलब अभी मैं पैसे लूट रही हूँ और आप लोग ये share कर रहे हो so I was like वो था मेरा first ever experience but then afterwards when I did my second show that was called Dilli Wali Thakur Girls and it's based on a novel called Those Pricey Thakur Girls and उसमें I was playing the youngest sister so there were hoardings you know and मेरी city में लगा था hoarding and I was there on the hoarding so that was you know my father was standing on the middle of the road and clicking picture and sending it to me so I think that was a very proud moment for all of us so that's something.
So, you know, Thakur, Those Pricey Thakur Girls is one of the novels which is done really well. And, you know, was paid to play that part. Did you read the novel when you were offered the part? Or were you happy to be a part of, you know, such a prestigious novel which is getting converted into a show?
I had already read it before, मतलब before I was offered the show. So जब मुझे offer किया तो I was मतलब मेरे को तो ऐसा था कि wow I'm cut out for this और ऐसे because I play sports and everything तो I was like, हाँ ये तो मिलना ही चाहिए, ये तो करना ही है. And during the launch, I remember Anuja Chauhan was our guest, who was the writer of the novel, and it was a
Novel.
privilege for all of us to, sit with her and talk to her. And तभी I asked her also, are you making a sequel? Are you writing a sequel? So उन्होंने तभी she had given hints that she is writing, and then the book is also out, The House That BJ Built. Yeah, it was amazing.
Since you like books and you were a part of a book adaptation, which are the books you down and have enjoyed reading?
I during the lockdown, I did read quite some books. मैंने The Becoming पढ़ी by Michelle Obama, and I really liked it, and it's a big one, तो वो पढ़ने में थोड़ा सा time गया.
हाँ, काफी टाइम लगता है.
So yeah, and I actually started reading Harry Potter during the lockdown because revisiting childhood and stuff, and it's fun. I've seen the movies, all of them, but I've not read the books. So मैंने इस बार books पढ़ी, and it was a lot. And I have a Kindle, तो मुझे कहीं बाहर भी नहीं जाना पड़ता था. मैं Kindle पे I used to download the books and read. So I think that's the best when you want to read something.
What's your favorite genre generally when it comes to books?
I like Jane Austen kind of books, Pride and Prejudice, and such books I enjoy. And I have enjoyed Shakespeare के novels also. I mean the plays that he has written. लेकिन उनके revised version और जो English में होते वो वरना दाई and दाव करते करते I'll go crazy. But yeah, these are the ones. I like Dan Brown's book also. वो भी काफी अच्छे suspense वगैरह and thrillers are good fun to read.
So, जैसे ठाकुर गोल्स थी, वैसे कोई आपकी एक ऐसी बुक है that you feel I wish ये adapt हो and I play this particular character of it?
Yeah, I think would be Pride and Prejudice, and I want to play Elizabeth's character. There's a movie also on it, and it's really romantic. It's I think it's my kind of romance, like a guy like Mr. Darcy, and Ghode Pe Aana
Yeah.
Wala, and such romance I like. So I think that book will be a nice adaptation. और टीवी पे चलेगा भी ऐसे because people enjoy such love stories जहाँ पे hero heroine मिलते हैं बिछे and all that.
So, yeah. टीवी प्रोड्यूसर्स अगर आप सुन रहे हैं तो प्लीज इनकी ख्वाहिश सुन लीजिए. ये शो चलेगा अभी, so maybe you can have Pride and Prejudice का adaptation and take her and make her play the Elizabeth character. So I'm gonna have a quick round of this or that, okay? So this and that is action movie, adventure movie.
Okay.
So
Sorry.
action movie, yeah. So this or that, okay? So action movie or adventure movie?
Action movie.
Favorite action movie?
Day and Night. The first that came to my mind.
Romantic drama or romantic comedy?
Romantic drama.
Favorite romantic drama lately that you've enjoyed watching?
Dil To Pagal Hai. That's my all-time favorite. Although it's a musical, but that and Veer Zara.
Historical science fiction?
Historical.
Favorite historic character?
I like Jhansi Ki Rani. Will she be called the historic character?
No wonder you enjoyed the whole Marna playing goons. Yeah, we can.
Yeah.
Superheroes or supernatural?
Superheroes any day.
Favorite superhero?
Has to be Wonder Woman. मैं हर हफ्ते में एक बार वंडर वुमन देखती हूँ. I love her. She is, I think, the sexiest woman alive on earth.
Okay, thriller or horror?
Thriller. Horror नहीं. I can't. मुझसे horror देखा नहीं जाता. मैं mute कर देती हूँ.
मैं तो अगर firstly even I can't watch horror, and if I have to watch horror because a friend has performed in it or whatever, I'm like, you are taking me on your own risk क्योंकि मैं चिल्ला चिल्ला के like you know कुछ हो भी नहीं रहा है, music आएगी ना, I'll be like, oh my god, and I might just end up screaming. Reality
Yeah.
TV or a game show?
I like खतरों के खिलाड़ी, तो उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? वो गेम शो भी है और वो रियलिटी भी है. It's a mixture of both.
I think हम उसको गेम शो में काउंट कर लेते हैं. हम उसको गेम शो में काउंट कर लेते हैं. If you had to be a part of a reality or a game show or a mix of a reality TV like and a game show, which one would it be?
झलक दिखला जा, but sadly they have stopped making more seasons of it because it's, I think, the best show. No drama, nothing. आओ डांस करो, मार्क्स लो, घर जाओ.
I think I have to tell producers of Jhalak Dikhla Ja, please आप में से कोई भी ये show देख रहा हो who have produced Jhalak Dikhla Ja, you are my fifth person on the live session who has said I want to do Jhalak Dikhla Ja and I wish the season starts. So आपके contestants ready है, please produce करो and start.
कलर्स वालों को बोलो, प्लीज कलर्स वालों को.
प्लीज कलर्स वालों झलक दिखला जा स्टार्ट कर लो. कंटेस्टेंट्स यहाँ रेडी हैं, वी आर ऑल रेडी, जस्ट स्टार्ट प्रोड्यूसिंग द शो ऑल ओवर अगेन. ओके,
Yeah.
सो म्यूजिकल और एनिमेशन?
Both. I love both. I enjoy. मैंने बच्चों के वो मतलब फ्रोजन, बच्चे तो नहीं बट बड़े भी देख सकते हैं. फ्रोजन, मोआना सारे देखे हुए. आई लव ऑल दोज मूवीज. And Moana is musical also. And the first, you know, when I was a teenager, the first English movies that I was introduced to was High School Musical. So it was all about singing and dancing and college students. So yeah, I think both.
Okay, so when you go to the theater, popcorn or samosa?
Popcorn. Who eats samosa in a theater? वो तो आप ऐसे शॉपिंग करने जाओ तब समोसा खाओ.
Okay, so the last few questions. Favorite show you have watched lately on Netflix?
My all-time favorite is Friends and Suits. I enjoy watching that whenever. But I recently finished Gilmore Girls. पता नहीं मैंने इतनी देर क्यों लगाई देखने में, but I think that was really fun. And Money Heist. Money Heist was super fun.
Gilmore Girls, when I started, I was glued to it. I love the story of the mother and the daughter and the way everyone is. And if you've enjoyed Gilmore Girls, you have to watch This Is Us. So you're gonna love that show also
Okay.
because there is Emilio who was in Gilmore Girls and he's also in This Is Us. So I'm sure you're gonna
Oh
enjoy
wow.
This Is Us.
Okay, cool. I will. Thank you.
And in Money Heist, who was your favorite character besides the professor?
I liked Tokyo. मतलब जितनी वो ऐसे अनप्रेडिक्टेबल थी, आई थिंक शी ब्रॉट स्पंक इन द, मतलब एपिसोड में ले ही आती थी, कुछ ना कुछ ऐसी हरकतें करती थी. सारी मतलब प्रॉब्लम्स जो होती थी टोक्यो से ही होती थी. So I think I enjoyed Tokyo's character. I also liked the detective, the lady who was playing detective. She was nice.
So if you had to play the detective or Tokyo, which one would it be?
The detective. I'm not as crazy as Tokyo.
So thank you, Meera, for joining us for this chitter chatter. It was great fun, and we're looking forward for many more things. May you get your TV shows, the new project soon, and we can have another live show, another chit chat super soon. But before you sign out, something if you want to tell your fans.
First of all, thank you to you for doing this the live chat, and I must tell you, I love the makeup that you've done. It's looking
Thank
really
you.
amazing on you. And it's I think your hair color is also complimenting your face, so it's
Thank
looking very
you.
nice on you. And it was fun talking to you, and thank you to everybody
Same
who
here.
came in and watched us. Bye,
So
take
thank
care.
you. Happy Sunday. Bye. Take care.
Bye.